Hello student, myself Dr. D.S. Jain, Professor and Head Department of Botany, Gangama Education Trust, Art Commerce Science College, Nagaon, Dhule. Welcome to my channel. I am going to present a PPT on family composite. If you like the video, please subscribe and like my channel and share it too. Let's study family composite. There are some examples. Calendula officinalis, Chrysanthemum indica, Cosmos bipinnatus, Delia species, Helianthus anus, Lactuca canadensis, Tradax procumbens, Helichrysum, Vernonia anthelminitica, Xanthium straumearium. These are the pictures showing some plants: Calendula, Chrysanthemum, Dahlia, Epatorium maculatum, Helianthus anus, Lactuca sativa, Helichrysum, Echinopsis echinatus, Tradax procumbens, Carthamus tinctorus, Vernonia anthelminitica. Geographical distribution. Composite or Asteraceae have a cosmopolitan distribution and are found everywhere except Antarctica and the extreme Arctic. They are especially numerous in tropical and subtropical regions. Distinguishing characters: plant herbaceous, leaves simple, generally alternate. Inflorescence capitulum, surrounded by bract. Florets are of two types: outer unisexual ray florets and inner bisexual disc floret. Calyx reduced to hairy pappus. Stamen epipetalous and syngenesious. Carpels to ovary inferior. Capitate. When a large number of sessile flowers grow from a suppressed rachis giving rise to a more or less globose structure is termed as capitated inflorescence. Helianthus anus, sunflower plant. The capitular inflorescence shows ray florets and disc floret. The section of flower shows mature disc flower, immature disc flower, receptacle and bract. These are capitulum type of inflorescence having disc floret, ray floret, involucre. Disc florets having following parts: stigma, corolla, ovary, stamens, pappus. Syngenesious stamens and gynoecium, stigma style ovary. Ray florets having following parts: stigma, ligulate corolla, anther, ligulate corolla, pappus, calyx, ovary. General characters of the family composite. First of all, vegetative characters. Habit: plants are mostly annual or perennial herb. Root: there is usually a taproot, branched, but rarely root tubers are produced. For example, Dahlia. Stem: usually herbaceous, green, rarely woody, aerial, erect, prostrate, cylindrical, hairy, fistular, branched. Leaf: cauline and ramal, simple, exstipulate, petiolate, alternate, whorl or opposite, or all radical being crowded near in rosette. Sometimes whorl in Epatorium genia. Entire or serrate venation, reticulate, unicostate. all radicals being crowded in rosette form in Launia, word leaf in Epatorium genia. These are Tradex procumbens having ray floret, disc floret and leaf. Floral characters. Inflorescence typically a capitulum or head consisting of ray and disc floret arranged on receptacle surrounded by involucre of bracts. Each floret on the disc may be accompanied by scale-like bracts. The flowers in the capitulum are arranged in acropetal succession. Flowers. The florets of a head may be hermaphrodite, bisexual or unisexual, monoecious or dioecious, or neuter, asexual, bract, usually pentamerous, actinomorphic or zygomorphic, epigynous. Flowers are called florets. There are two kinds of florets in composite: disc floret, tubular flowers; ray florets, ligulate flowers. Disc florets are central, bracteate, sessile, complete, actinomorphic, hermaphrodite, tubular and epigynous, pentamerous. Calyx is usually represented by a ring of small teeth or numerous hair or scale. The so-called pappus or reduced modified into 2 to 3 scales persistent epigynous. Corolla, petals 5, gamopetalous and tubular, actinomorphic, volvate estivation. Androecium 5, epipetalous, syngenaceous, anther fused and filaments free, diathecous, entrose. Gynoecium bicarpillary, syncarpous, inferior, unilocular with single ovule, basal placentation, tile simple, stigma bifid. Ray florets, bracteate, sessile, zygomorphic, unisexual, pistillate, female or sometime neuter, rarely bisexual, ligulate and epigynous, incomplete. Each floret usually arises in the axil of bracteolate peripheral. Calyx, pappus 2 to 3, persistent or absent or scale-like. Corolla consists of 5 petals which are star-shaped, gamopetalous, volvate colored. Androecium absent. Gynoecium either absent if present, then bicarpillary, syncarpous, inferior, unilocular with single ovule, basal placentation, single style, stigma bifid. Fruit, Cypsela, that is one-seeded achens after crowned with persistent pappus. The pappus calyx of Tragadex procumbens, ovary and pappus. Cypsela having seed, periphery of the seed, seed coat, funicles. Cypsela, for example, fruit of sunflower, having pericarp, seed coat, seed, funicles and locule. Floral formula: disc floret and ray floret. Disc floret floral diagram. Ray floret floral diagram. Economic importance: Compositae family having economic importance, weeds of agriculture, having some noxious weeds, some poisonous species. Food: Helianthus tuberosa, Dahlia, Tragopogon are edible. The young leaves of Lactuca sativa, Chicory are used as salad. The roasted seeds of Taraxacum officinales are used as substitute of coffee. The tubers of roots of Gicorium intybus are used for adulteration in coffee. Helianthus tuberous roots, these are Capsicum officinale. Oils, the seeds of Helianthus anus used as oil. Medicine, Arnica montana, Blumia are of medical value. In Europe, Arnica has been used for centuries in the wood healing. In Africa, Vernonia is used by both man and chimpanzee against intestinal parasite. Insecticides, powdered remain of have been found in the abdominal cavity of mummy of Ramses II, probably as an insecticide. Inula species are called philibines because of their use. Other uses, although the family consists of many herbs, shrubs, and some species grow a tree size, and several of these are used for timber. Dyes, florets of Carthamus tinctorius used as yield of dyes. The shoots of Blumia balsamifera is a good diuretic agent and on distillation gives camphor of China. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe, like and share it. See you in next video.